Hey guys, this is a nonfiction reading passage. It's called Internet Boom. Use your nonfiction reading strategies on a separate piece of paper to complete the passage and answer the questions. Internet boom. Today, the internet is widely used in homes, schools, and businesses around the world. However, that hasn't always been the case. The internet was first developed in the 1960s and 1970s by U.S. government scientists as a way of sharing information. The earliest version of the internet was called the ARPANET for Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. In 1969, only 4 computers were connected to the ARPANET. Just 20 years later, though, as computers became more commonly developed, over 80,000 computers were connected. Use of the internet has continued to grow dramatically. Experts estimate that about 1% of the world's population used the internet in 1996. By 2008, that percentage grew nearly 24%. How do researchers count more than 1 billion users? Programs called web crawlers browse the internet to monitor how many pages and users are out there. Web crawlers work automatically, collecting data once they are started. These programs are sometimes called spiders because they crawl around the web. As the internet continues to grow, an increasing number of spiders scurry invisibly, collecting and sending information 24 hours a day. Then you have this chart here. It's about the number of internet users. This y-axis is users in millions. This x-axis is years. So you can see how dramatically, as the text says, it increases. Okay. What does the word boom in the title mean? A, a loud noise, B, a government job, C, a computer program, or D, a rapid increase? Number 2, the facts in the first paragraph support the idea that the internet, A, is available mainly in the United States. The facts in the first paragraph support the idea that the internet, B, has a wider use today than it did in the past. The facts in the first paragraph support the idea that the internet, C, is seldom used by people in other countries. The facts in the first paragraph support the idea that the internet is used mainly by government scientists today. Number 3, which idea does the graph support? A, the internet stopped growing in 2008. B, the internet stopped growing after 2000. C, the internet grew rapidly after 2000. D, the internet was invented in 2000. Number 4, based on the graph, which statement is true? A, there were fewer internet users in 2000. B, there were more than 500 million internet users in 2000. C, the number of internet users decreased each year from 2000 to 2008. D, internet growth was slight between 2000 and 2005. So these last 2 questions, you've got to use this graph to help you with, okay? Make sure you're going back and supporting your answers. That's one good thing about nonfiction. A lot of things are explicit because they're making sure that you're reading to learn. So learn all the facts it has to offer and apply those to those questions. Do your best.